Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am AC Bustamante and today we are going to Sevilla Santa Justa. It's currently 9 a.m. I woke up at 6:30 and right now I'm going to show you where we are, and we are backwards. See you there. Bye. Sevilla Santa Justa. Just woke up. We are here at the Cathedral of Sevilla. We are here right now in the Plaza of Cabildo. Cabildo. We are here at the mall, Torre Sevilla Mall. O con acento español, Torre Sevilla. La Torre de Sevilla Mall. Kasi po, this is the Tower of Sevilla. It's a 4-star hotel. And we are here. Hi guys. We're going back. Nasa Cordoba po tayo. We have a stop here and then we go to Madrid. Back in Madrid. Guys, I'm here with my mommy.
I'm so tired. Kanina pa ba?
We're in the hospital. We need to take care of our patient.
Episode, mami.
Pagod na kami ng nanay ko.
Parehas kaming gumising ng alas 6.
Ng umaga. Yay!
Hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin ako, nagda-drive pa rin. Ay, naku Lord.
Well, at least ako nakatulog ng 30 minutes.
Walang pahinga. Babaeng walang pahinga. Diyos ko, pagod na ang katawang lupa ko.
Katabi na pa. Nakapajama pa rin ako. Hindi na ako nagpalit. Bye-bye.